Hello, this is David Deshane from Roofing Estimator Pro Mobile, and I'm going through the mobile update today with a 3.0, and we added some new features into the mobile app, which are incredible. The first one's going to be adding the jobs to the main screen, so it gives you a snapshot of all the jobs in progress. Of course, we have the calendars, the customers, the estimates, and the photos and suppliers and products. Those are always going to be on the main screen, and when you get inside, I'm going to show you what we have. Now, the jobs we've loaded up, it's basically all the jobs that you have in progress, so you can scroll through all the ones that you have currently, but just click back up on the main screen to get to the home, and I'm going to bring you inside and show you some of the other features. Now, when you have your calendar appointment, and it's set for today, you have all the things that are in here. So you'll see with the icon, you'll have all the information about your current job that you have in progress for the day. Now, when you're ready to go to that appointment, you'll have everything in here. It has the description, all the things that are in there with the name, address, the appointment time. You can change all these. So these are available for any changes. You can update the calendar event, and of course, all that's in here. And step-by-step turning directions. If you just want to print out, you can get those there as well. But we're going to go directly to this one, which is the Go to Customer. This will bring you over to the customer file, and you see down at the bottom here we have photos and appointments and estimates and all the things about the client. You have access to all this inside. Today what I want to talk about is this new tab, which is the Get GPS turn-by-turn directions. So when we click on that tab right there, that will actually load up your navigation on your screen. It'll bring everything inside. It'll add the address. It'll bring that down in and put the address to the customer inside there. So that will definitely bring that in. And if you click this button up top, which is the Start Directions, now this actually should be showing. It's just a little slow because I'm using the GoToMeetings capture. Now I'm going to click the directions. This automatically loads up all the directions to get to the job. And if you click on this section right here, which is Route, this will bring in all the directions to get there. And there's a couple different ways of going to the property. You can click this one here, which automatically defaults. There's a 15-minute one that'll load up those directions, or the 17, which brings it to that direction. So I'm going to go back to the default one that was loaded into the software, and then just go up here and click Start. This will load up the directions. It'll get you automatically to where you're going, and that will give you all directions. So I'm going to shut that off. That'll bring us back to the screen. Now it's loading all the map up. This is usually what loads up in the very beginning. And that's how you get incredible directions to the property. Another one that we added was to get estimates. So we did create an estimate, and a couple of guys were asking about being able to create a custom email to send to the client, which I thought was great, and we did add that in there as well. So what I'm going to do is go back to the estimates, and it's just taking a second to load these in because I'm using the computer on the GoToMeeting screen. Now, if I click on the customer estimate, this brings all the estimate information about the client, the address, the phone number, how much the estimate was. Now, what it's going to do is automatically send this to them. If you just click on this email estimate to customer, this sends it automatically. You don't have to add anything special. If you want to just email this to your user, which is you, just to see what it looks like, you can do that. It will send it to your email address on file. Now, this one down here is the custom email. This is what we're going to set up, and I'm going to show you what this is. Now, this will give you an option to use a template that you've already either set up from any of the ones that you have in there already, standard or detailed. This will automatically load that up for you. And if you want to type in information, any type of custom email subject, I'm just going to put roofing estimate from David Deshane. And I just use the voice software, loads it in automatically, takes but a second, and it just saves a lot of time, from handwriting the appointments. And it does remember everything that I say. So we'll click done on that. Now the estimate, I'm going to write, "Hello, Dave, comma. Here is your appointment estimate that I sent. It was great meeting you today, and I just wanted to get that over to you guys today." Well, that probably wasn't the best estimate, but here is your estimate, right? Here is your estimate. Here is your estimate, and it was great meeting you today. So there we go, a little cleanup of the information, and I'm going to hit done on that. And you're going to see now that we have changed the estimate, we have changed the estimate message, which I might want to edit it a little bit. I like to have the capitals, everything in cap in the beginning, so I'll clean it up a little bit, customize it any way you want, make it look official from you. You know, do it any way that you want, write the subject that you like, customize it for your local area. Roofing estimate from David Duchesne. Hello, here is your estimate. It was great meeting you today, and I just wanted to get this over to you guys today. So, you know, that's a pretty basic message. You can put whatever you want in there. You know, another one I might put in there is, I look forward to working with you, comma, and call me if you have any questions, period. Okay, here's the message. Hello, guys. Here is your estimate. Great meeting you today. You know, any information that you want to put in there, it's awesome. You can put whatever you want inside this. And basically, that'll be your complete estimate. So, great meeting you guys today. Just wanted to get this over to you today. I look forward to working with you, and call me if you have any questions. Okay, let's click done. We have all that information. It's all ready to go. And let's hit send email. Okay, the email has been sent successfully. Let's go ahead and click on that, and let's go check my email and just see what that came out to. That should look very nice. It only takes a couple of seconds to send that over to the guys, so you will get an email confirmation in your inbox wherever you're sending the information from. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and open this estimate, and I'll show you what it looks like. Now, the information that I put inside, we have the contract, which looks incredible. It has all the info. I always put the photos in, like I recommend. You always want to go through and put at least 4 photos. This has a contract price, has all the information about the product that we have in there, the contract cost, the 4 photos of the job, front, back, front left, front right, and any information, and your terms and conditions. And like I said, also we include the workers' comp, liability insurance, proof of certificate of insurance, and also a list of references. These are automatically loaded from inside the software in your customer information, and where that is, it's in the company setup. So that's in there as well. Now this is the new update. It's a great new update for your mobile app. If you guys don't have Roofing Estimator Pro, you're missing out big time, because this is where it's at, guys, the 21st century. Anyway, David Duchesne, Roofing Estimator Pro Mobile. We'll see you guys on the inside.